Alright guys, DIY500amp.com right here. I'm testing the pack that I built for a client. This pack, it's made with Amprius SA112 cells, which they are 21700, 6500 milliamps, rated for 13 amps each. The pack is made in 8S3P, so it means that can reach all the way to 39 amps. In reality, we make this for be used in a application that is gonna be only 15 amps. However, I put a 50 amp BMS because the size and all that. Sorry for the bad packaging. This pack is meant to be only for transportation. They are gonna open this. So, but I'm testing as we speak. Right now in the load tester have signs it was fully charged. I'm discharging 20 amps even when they're gonna be using this at 15 amps just because I want to test. It can reach all the way to 39 amps. Again, I'm testing at 20. It have a motor that is 450 watts. I'm testing all the way to 600 fully charged. Right now it's in 22%, so it have a quite a long time running right now, and we are gonna see temperature on the pack. In the MOSFET it says 43 degrees only, which is great numbers. Look at the voltage from every cell, 3.4 currently, and it's gonna be discharged all the way to 2.8, right? So we have connected the fluke, which match pretty much 40 degrees, and the MOSFET says 43. Remember, this is out, so we can expect just a little bit more heat inside, and we like to test with the, let's see, remember this could be off a little bit. That's completely normal. That's great numbers, great numbers. The hotspot actually is these cables, but this is, I don't care, this is my cables for testing. They are pretty thin cables. It's only 20 amps, it's acceptable, and the pack is doing great. Look at the numbers, great numbers right now. Under that load is continuously. Again, I'm testing way higher than what is gonna be used for. I mean, this pack can reach easy 65 degrees, no problem. I mean, it's made, the cells are made for 75. It's not gonna go even in the 60s. I mean, it's chilling, and we're talking at 20 amps, and it's gonna be used only in 15, the maximum. So the pack is super safe, if you notice. And I just want to show you how I test the packs after I finish them. All right, have a good one, guys.